question. Tag question. There are two types of tag questions. The first one is positive tag and second one is negative. Tag question is divided into two types. One is positive and negative. Positive and negative. Now let's talk about. So when we discuss about questions tag there, it is one of the best topic of grammar there. One of the best topic of grammar. There are different types of questions. Yes, no question, WH questions, tag questions. But today's our class is basically related to these ones. So, okay. Now I am going to give some example first of all. Ram is reading a book now. So, Ram is reading a book now. This is a statement. This is what? A statement. Now, question tag. First of all, we have to give the word comma. Then we have to look for the auxiliary verb in this sentence. Which one is the auxiliary verb here? Is. Very good. Which one is the auxiliary verb in this sentence? Is. We need is there. So, is it positive sentence or negative sentence? What is there? So, Ram is reading a book now. This is a positive sentence or negative? Positive. Very good. If the statement is positive, then we have to that tag question is negative. Then is we have to put here. Is plus not is equal to isn't. Is plus not is equal to isn't. That is known as a contraction form. Which form there? Contraction form. Contraction form means short form. Okay, thank you. Sit down. Then isn't. Now, so which one is the subject here? Ram. Which one is the subject? Ram. For Ram, we use the word he. For Ram, we use the word he as a nominative case there. Which case there? Nominative case. Then here we have to use he. And last we have to use question mark. Now this part is known as a tag question. This part is known as a tag question. We have the two part here. One is Ram is reading a book now. This is the statement. This is the what? Statement. Another one is what? Comma. Isn't he? Last there is a sign of question mark. Then this part is known as a tag question. Now question tag is here what? Negative. Negative here. Statement is positive. Then tag is negative. Now next example. She has not seen me here. What is the sentence? Negative. She has not seen me here. Now you stand up. Okay. The statement is what? She has not seen me here. Is it positive or negative? Negative. Negative. Very good. Okay, thank you. Sit down. Now, first of all, we have to give the what? Comma. Then which one is the auxiliary verb? Has. Now we have to keep here. Has. Then which one is the subject? She. Which one is the subject? She. Then we have to put here C. Last there is question mark. Now what is the difference between these two question tag? In first there is isn't he, second there is what? Has she. Has she. No, the first one is negative, the second one is positive. It means that the tag has two types. One is positive and another one is negative. Positive and negative. Now let's find out the rules there from these two. So this area is known as a question tag. This area is known as a question tag. Question tag start from what? Comma. Start from comma. Second is what? You need the auxiliary verb. What we are? Auxiliary verb. Auxiliary verb. Then third one is what? You need the subject. Subject as a what? Pronoun there. Subject as a pronoun. Pronoun or subjective case pronoun. What case? Subjective case pronoun. Then if there is what? Negative tag, then negation should be in the contraction form. Negation should be in the contraction form. Negation in contraction form. Contraction form means short form. Contraction form. It means that short form. Then there is last question mark. What there? Question mark. And all the letters must be in the small letter. What a letter? Now analyze. Is a small I there, no? Has a small h there. All these are what? In the small letter. No any capital letter is used there. Is there any capital letter? No. All they are in the small letter. Do you have any question? Then you can ask me. Do you understand or not? Question tag. There are two types of question tag, positive and negative. Then when you are going to change their question tag there, do the question tag. At that time you need the what? So, comma. Then there is what? Auxiliary verb, subjective case pronoun, negation. Yes, short form that you have to know. Okay, that's all.